Hello everyone, if you are a product manager, you probably know this pain. Writing PRDs takes forever. You start with scattered notes, then spend hours structuring requirements, writing user stories, and aligning everyone. And by the time you are done, half your day is gone. I've been there too. That's why I want to show you a faster way, a way to get the first draft done in minutes so you can spend more time on strategy, decisions, and growing as a real PM. Let's imagine this. You are the PM of a fashion e-commerce application. This sprint, your job is to add a new feature, say image search. Users can upload a photo of a dress and the app shows similar items from the catalog. Normally, you would spend hours drafting the PRD, isn't it? Instead, we let AI do the heavy lifting. Ready to check the AI magic? This is Chat PRD, an agentic AI that follows an industry standard PRD structure. You give it a feature idea, it drafts the PRD, executive summary, requirements, user stories, acceptance criteria, metrics, scope, rollout, risks, end to end. Very quickly. You just call out what you want, it gives the response. Let's check that out. All it takes is one clear prompt. Here's what I used. Let's give this prompt a try where we ask this Chat PRD to provide a complete PRD for adding an image search feature for the fashion e-commerce application that we are building and clearly call out everything that we require: goals, personas, current journey, requirements, and so on. Yes, it started writing and you can check the document outline. On the right hand side, you can see it drafting the PRD document for us. Let's check the response. It has given a concise executive summary as we asked, a problem statement, clear goals and non-goals, then personas, and the personas list goes like the style seeker, busy professional, trend watcher, and different scenarios, the current journey and pain points, functional and non-functional requirements, user stories for different personas created already, then acceptance criteria as per Gherkin format, success metrics, then scope, risks, assumptions with change log. If you have missed something, you can do an iterative prompting as well to add that. Let's do the same. Let's add one more prompt to make changes in the already created PRD document. Let's check how it responds. We asked to make sure the latency is 2 seconds, right? So it added that in the technical metrics. Then we asked to include a project timeline with a skeleton mentioning how many hours is required for each task that is involved in the sequence. So it has included a tracking plan here with the milestones and sequencing, the project estimate, mentioning the number of hours required for every task, that is the rough hours. This is how detailed Chat PRD could draft a PRD document. Amazing, isn't it? It's not only Chat PRD, even you can use ChatGPT, do the same prompt, paste the same prompt here and check out the response. ChatGPT has also drafted the PRD document in a few seconds with same executive summary, problem statement, goals and non-goals, personas and scenarios, current journey with pain points, requirements, user stories, everything you asked for. Please let me know in the comments which version did you like, Chat PRD or ChatGPT. This small AI inclusion changes quite a lot, right? It makes you 10 times faster, 100% more structured with a lot of time for strategic focus. So instead of wrestling with documents for hours, you can go from idea to polished PRD in minutes. Faster, clearer, and more efficient. Try it for your next feature and see how much time you save. Let me know in the comments if you are interested in any other AI tool to make your life easier. Stay tuned with Interview Kickstart to know more on how AI can make your professional life more efficient.